a coalition representing almost every former president from Herbert Hoover Barack Obama issued a collective call on Thursday to protect foundations of American democracy and protect civilization. In the politics of nation, both the Democrats and the Republicans are a historical first for presidential centers and foundations for U.S. leaders dating back to a century ago. Each of us has a role and responsibilities to be supported. Or he says, our selected authorities should lead as an example and manage it effectively to present the American people. This will help recover the trust in public service, respect for rights, to support safe and accessible choices and contribute local, state or national improvement.